Powerful 30 foods, brain and memory boosting foods. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s that improve memory and brain function. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells. Avocados provide healthy fats that support blood flow to the brain. Dark chocolate boosts focus and mood with flavonoids and magnesium. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and supports overall brain health, heart and blood health. Oats contain soluble fiber that lowers bad cholesterol. Pomegranate helps improve blood flow and offers heart protection. Garlic naturally reduces blood pressure and prevents blood clots. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, strengthens the heart. Beetroot enhances circulation and increases stamina. Bone and joint strength. Milk provides calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. Spinach is loaded with magnesium and vitamin K for bone health. Almonds add calcium and healthy fats to your diet. Yogurt supports bone density and improves gut health. Tofu is a great plant-based source of calcium for bone strength. Detox and cleansing foods. Lemon helps flush toxins and supports liver function. Cucumber keeps the body hydrated while cleansing the kidneys. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that naturally detoxify the body. Apples contain pectin that cleanses the digestive tract. Celery helps alkalize the body and flush out toxins. Immunity and anti-inflammation foods. Ginger helps fight infections and reduces inflammation. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C that boosts white blood cell production. Honey is a natural antibacterial and soothing remedy for coughs. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse that strengthens immunity. Papaya contains enzymes that aid digestion and support immune defense. Energy and metabolism boosters. Bananas give quick natural energy and support muscle function with potassium. Quinoa offers complete protein for lasting energy. Eggs supply high-quality protein and essential amino acids. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs for steady energy release. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s to keep you energized all day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.